I am a doctor and sometimes I have to sign forms allowing abortions and cremations to take place. Is this permissible?
Obviously, we Muslims, in some certain occasions, in some certain scenarios, abortion is prohibited by ijma, and even we say after 4 months of pregnancy, according to Islam, abortion will equal to the murderer, so it is major sin. So that's why maybe I would advise this person to contact the local senior scholar, Muslim scholar, just to clarify some certain details, because in my own understanding it shouldn't be permissible. No, we do not allow that.
And what about cremations? If she's a doctor, can she give permission by signing something?
No, it's again the same thing. We need to just look into the details, because sometimes it could be that it is so again, I would just refer this person to clarify, just to explain everything, all of the details to the local mufti, senior mufti, just to get a more accurate answer.